Okay, now how to solve the problem? So you need to find the information. So the information for the step number 2 is search externally. Search externally for the second method. You are the 5 method on how to do the search externally. The first one will be interview lead user. Number 1. Okay, ni second step Second step is search externally. External ni apa? Maksudnya keluar, cari maklumat di luar. Okay. Kalau search internally, cari maklumat kat dalam company saja. Okay. Second step is try to find search the information externally. First, interview lead user. Okay, interview lead user meaning that you go outside and then you try to interview the customer, find what is their opinions regarding on the things that you want to invent. Okay, so you're doing the interview or the survey. Number 2, what you need to do is consult expert. Consult expert meaning that you go outside and then try to consult with the expert lah. Contoh, if you want to make a new table, okay, buat meja, so cari expert yang berkaitan dengan meja lah. Kalau you nak berkaitan dengan tadi tu tumbler, heater tumbler tu, so cari dekat company yang ada expert untuk that kind of the things. Okay, meaning that you try to find the expert lah, orang yang lebih tahu berkaitan dengan mechanism. Because of what? Because you want to learn about the mechanism inside the product that you want to invent. Kalau awak tak faham macam mana tenaga di transfer, macam mana apa konsep tenaga, apa principle of the tenaga, macam mana you nak proceed to do the things that you want to invent just now. So that means you need to learn from the expert. Cari orang yang pro, cari orang yang tahu berkaitan dengan benda tu. Okay, number 3, you need to search the pattern. Search pattern. Search pattern ni you can do by Google ataupun you go to the pattern punya company ke and so on. Try to search lah pattern dia, whether that kind of the things already exist in the market or not. Okay, cari pattern lah. Okay, kalau kita nak buat benda, kita kena search for the pattern. We need to do some research so that we are not break this kind of pattern. Kalau kita buat benda yang sama dengan orang, takut kita yang nanti kena saman. Okay, number 4, what you need to do is search published literature. Published literature meaning that try to read a lot of books, a lot of journals, a lot of articles that will help you to get to give you the idea on how you want to develop a new thing. So maksudnya buat literature review lah. Okay, number 5, you are doing the benchmarking. So you need to do some research or investigation. Tengok produk yang sedia ada, and then you need to do the comparison, and then you do the benchmarking. Okay, contohnya you nak buat phone yang baru. Okay, phone yang sekarang ni macam mana? So macam mana you nak buat benchmarking? Try to find another competitor, let's say Apple, Samsung, Nokia ke apa semua, and then compare apa yang diorang ada, apa yang kita tak ada. Okay, that is what we call as a benchmarking. So these 5 things is actually on how you want to find the solution or find the information, and you are doing search externally, find the information in the outside of the company. Okay. Now we go to the step number 3. Step number 3 is basically search internally. Search internally meaning that you are doing brainstorming. Okay, search internally, brainstorming. Brainstorming dekat siapa? Dekat ahli kumpulan kita. Okay, dekat because we are talking about internally, because so we just focus inside the company. So members of the company must be in the group, and then you try to do the brainstorming. Okay, so when you focus to the brainstorming, you need to know some of the guidelines. So we have the 4 guidelines here. Okay, for those who have the book, you can turn to page 128. So 128 is the guideline for you to do a better brainstorming. Nak dapatkan brainstorming yang terbaik, ini adalah caranya. Yang pertama adalah suspend judgment. Suspend judgment meaning that avoid any judgment. Whenever or whoever try to voice out the idea, you need to listen and then you need to avoid the judgment. Okay, because yang ni akan menyebabkan orang akan takut untuk buat bagi idea ataupun voice out the idea. Kalau you nak ada idea, you just voice out and then everyone need to listen and respect the idea lah. Try to avoid that kind of the judgment. Judgment ni adalah macam penilaian awal lah. Okay. Number 2, generate a lot of idea. Try to come up with a lot of idea. Logik ke tak logik ke, cuba suarakan, sebab nanti kita akan ada satu stage, we call it as a concept selection, and then we will do some comparison, kita akan buat evaluation based on the idea lah. So now you need to list down all the idea first. Okay, kalau boleh logik lah. Okay. Number 3, welcome ideas that may seem unfeasible. Sometimes our friends try to voice the idea and then you think that the idea is not logic. Okay, it's okay, just accept the idea. Kalau awak rasa idea tu tak munasabah ke, tak logik ke, jangan awak rasa awak downkan dia, awak macam kutuk dia ke apa ke, just accept the idea and welcome the ideas. So awak alu-alukan sebarang idea. Nama pun brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming maksudnya apa-apa saja idea, try to voice out. Okay, and number 4, use graphical and physical media. Guna grafik ataupun physical media untuk awak terangkan sesuatu benda lah. Okay, kadang-kadang kita ada gambar, kita ada video untuk orang lebih faham. Kalau kita nak bercerita, sometimes will make people not understand what you are trying to say, but you can use the picture and the photo or the video so that people can be more understand lah. Okay, so now that is the search internally. Okay, now okay, then after this we will focus on the explore systematically and do the reflection for the next video.